What is this don't click the sound thing I keep seeing on YouTube Shorts? All of these new creators are making videos titled "Don't click the sound," and I actually have no understanding why. And it's not just one channel, it's like hundreds of channels that are posting hundreds of videos with the title "Don't click the sound." So I tried to search up on YouTube "Don't click the sound," and the results that I saw, I don't even know how these videos are allowed to be on YouTube. So let's try something different. Try actually clicking the sound on the bottom right of the screen to see if it does anything, and we'll check back in a week to see if this is a glitch in the YouTube system or not. All right, I'll see you next